Hello and welcome to the afternoon market update from Nirmal and Hiral. It seems to be a pretty volatile day of trade because since we've opened up, we have been fluctuating between gains as well as losses, and this is mainly on the back of the weak cues that we've picked up from the Asian markets as well. In overnight trade, we did see a downtick that did come in on Wall Street, and on that, we did have a counter effect on the Asian markets, which actually indicated SGX Nifty, which was down almost around 100 to 110 points. Overall, if you go to see, the broader markets were the ones that were actually managing to keep their head above water, and this was mainly in late morning deals. Right now, again, we keep fluctuating between gains and losses. You have Nifty as well as Sensex, which is trading with cuts of almost around 0.3%. And if you see with regards to where Bank Nifty is concerned, that is also seeing cuts of almost 0.5%. So major impact of the financials is something that we are seeing in today's day of trade. The mid-cap index again is up marginally. However, the small cap index continues to trade pretty much flat right now. FMCG continues to be the top sectoral gainer in today's day of trade, whereas you have the media index, which is now down almost 0.8%. In fact, overall, if you go to see, the media index has had a good run over the last couple of trading sessions. So there is a possibility that you would continue to see some bit of profit booking that could continue to come in. But overall, if you go to see, it's mainly, we are pretty much on, it is FNO expiry today. The fluctuations are going to remain. But whether we end in the positive or negative is something that we need to watch out for. Clearly, there has been volatility because you have IMF, which has gone ahead and slashed the growth outlook in terms of global growth outlook as well as for India. Plus, you have the global cues which are weak, and you have FNO expiry. So, a lot of factors that have to be taken into consideration in today's day of trade. Overall, if you go to see, IT stocks have continued to come under pressure in today's session. So that's something that we have been watching out for. Let's quickly understand the gainers and losers. So you have GAIL, ITC, Hero MotoCorp, Power Grid, Wipro, and Maruti Suzuki. These are few of the top gainers on Nifty 50. Whereas on the losing end, you have Bharti Infratel, Eicher Motors, Asian Paints, M&M, Infosys, as well as an Indices Bank. Let's understand what's happening on the broader markets as well, because as we mentioned, the broader markets have managed to keep their heads above water. So that's something which could be a little bit of, that could probably give you some bit of encouragement in today's session. And last couple of sessions as well, if you go to see, it's the broader markets which are actually trying to play a catch-up rally with the benchmark indices. And the anticipation is that that could continue for the next couple of months. So you have IIFL Wealth Management, Dishman Carbogen, IIFL Finance, Engineers India, Aavas Financiers. These are few of the top gainers, whereas MRPL, Canara Bank, Adani Green, Dish TV, Gujarat Solo, these are few of the top losers that we have been watching out for in terms of broader markets. Let's see if there are any stocks which have actually hit a 52-week high or a low in terms of benchmark indices as well as broader markets. So nothing with regards to when Nifty 50 go, it's a pretty moderate move that we are seeing. Whereas, again, no stocks are a 52-week high for the S&P 500 and similar the situation on the losing end as well. You have steel strip wheels. Today, they've secured an order worth almost 13,000 wheels, and that's the reason why we're seeing smart moves. In fact, steel strip wheels has been on a roll in terms of where their order book is concerned. So that's something which has been pretty positive. NLC is trading under pressure, and this is despite that power generation has risen by almost 9% in the fourth quarter of FY20. PNB has gained in trade today because they're looking to complete technology integration of OBC United Bank of India by the end of FY21, and that's what they've indicated. Maruti Suzuki is in focus today. Cipla did see a good move in today's session. You have Parag Milk Foods. They've started delivering products to their Horeca channel partners, and that's one of the reasons which has come in as a boosted dose for Parag Milk Foods. NTPC has backed a consultancy project for 500 megawatt solar power for Republic of Mali, and that's one of the reasons why you're seeing smart gains on an NTPC. And Reliance Industries has got the CCI approval with regards to where Facebook's proposed acquisition of 9.99% stake in the ARM goes. So that's one of the reasons why smart gains did come in with regards to Reliance Industries as well. But apart from that, you have United Industries. That stock has been pretty much flat right now. They have seen a decline in profitability to the tune of almost around 40%. Aditya Birla Fashion is another one that is in focus in today's day of trade. IFL Finance we already mentioned. Steel Steel is something we already spoke about. Sharda Cropchem is also reacting to numbers. Gale is also reacting to numbers in today's day of trade. You have Andhra Paper. The company's promoter, which is International Paper, is intending to sell almost around 39.77 lakh shares at or 10% of the equity through an offer for sale. And overall, if you go to see, in terms of where markets are concerned, a lot of stock-specific action is what we've been witnessing. Earlier, it was the media index, which did see a stretched rally, and now you have the FMCG index, which is seeing some up. One of the main reason why we're seeing this up move is because things have started to open up. The demand has slowly started to increase as well in terms of the consumption side of business goes. And that's one of the reasons why we're seeing some smart gains there. But again, it is time to be slightly cautious. There are a lot of moving parts that have to be taken into consideration as well. So you have to maintain your strict stop losses as well. But good investment bets that keep arising in these kind of valuations that we're looking at. Currently, if you go to see, it is a slightly volatile day of trade. How global markets impact us, as well as what happens with regards to F&O expiry, is something that we need to watch and wait and watch. That's all that we have in the afternoon market update from Nirmal. Thanks for watching.